video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining in depth on support and resistance in the market. You should have heard about support and resistance, what support and resistance. So I'm going to be explaining what support and resistance is and how to use it to make better analysis for your trade. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video so the video can actually get out there. And also, if you have any questions at the end of the video, please ask them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer every single questions in the comment section. With that said, let's get right into the video. All right, so support and resistance. What is support and resistance? Support is I like to explain this way. Support is usually known as the lowest level in the market, the lowest price level that the market tests multiple times. It is let me also say it is the floor of the chart. Oh, sorry. Okay, support is the floor of the chart, right? It is the floor. So if I'm to measure the floor of my chart, if I'm to plot the floor of my chart right here, I'm going to do something like this, right? So basically you say this is what your support, because of that's the lowest level the price has tested. And for our resistance is the highest level price has tested multiple times. That price has tested multiple times without breaking. Take note of that for support and resistance. If price breaks this support right here, for instance, if this was our previous support, as you can see, price broke it, so now our support is becoming what? Our resistance. The support is becoming our resistance. But as long as price doesn't break the support, it remains what? A support zone. So resistance is the highest level of price that price tests multiple times without breaking. Also take note that the more price tests a particular support or resistance or a key level, the more price tests a particular support or resistance, the stronger and the more valid that level becomes. So if price tests a particular level three times plus, three times or more, then that level is can be considered a support level or resistance level, a key level. Same thing goes for trend lines and that, but that's the video for the future, whatever. Okay, so let's get right to plotting and support and resistance and how you can actually use it to better your trades, to make more analysis, better analysis. Okay, so the support and resistance, I told you, is the floor and the roof, right? The resistance is the roof, support is the floor, but it is not necessarily always like that. Support and resistance are simply key levels in the market. Key levels that the market has actually tested multiple times. So you can have multiple support areas and you can have multiple resistance areas in the market. So it all depends. It doesn't have to be just one line at the top like this. It doesn't have to be just one line at the top like this and one line at the bottom like this. No, you can have multiple on the chart. Just don't throw rubbish on your chart. Plot in a way that you understand what you're doing. Anyways, I'll show you how to do that in the video. So like I said, our support and resistance are actually key levels. If I was using trading view, right, I'll be using what to call zones to plot this. This is basically me using a rectangle like this to plot my support and resistance. So the rectangle actually covers more areas. It covers more of the candle wicks and the likes. But because of to be drawing this and dragging it all the way on this chart is actually it's actually a little bit stressful. So what I just do is use my horizontal line, which is also horizontal line, to draw my level. So and if I plot a level this way, I can do what? I can go to the past, right? Because of if I plot this level, it is going to show throughout my chart. So I can go to the past. Oh, it's not moving. Okay, I can go to the past to see if price tested that same level again multiple times. So as you can see this level right here, you can see price tested this level how many times? Tested it multiple times, right? Okay, I have this. You can see tested it 3 times here. You can see price tested the level here. It tested and it broke it, but still came back to test the level here again. Market tested the level multiple times. So with that said, let's go ahead to plot our support and resistance level. Support and resistance level. And I already said that support and resistance level are just basically key levels in the market. The market tests multiple times. I'm using this is GBP USD chart, and this is the weekly time frame. I like to do my analysis straight from the monthly to mostly weekly to daily time frame, then 4 hours time frame to find minor levels and minor trade opportunities. Yeah, so this is the weekly chart. This is basically top-down analysis right here. So as you can see, I've plotted my first support right here. This should be my first support, but as you can see in the past, price only tested this level once, so the level is not strong enough to be my support level. But this right here is my support level. If I had used zones to be able to cover it very well, so let me just put it here. So this is my first major support level. As you can see, price tested it here, price tested it here, price tested it here, price tested, broke it here, but the market decided to keep the level as a support. Then price tested it here again, and if you go to the past, you can see again price has been testing this level. So, and like I said before, the more price test a particular level, the more valid and stronger the level is. So because of price has been testing this level multiple times, so that is a very, very strong and valid key level or support. Because of it is down, so support. Okay, let me go and plot my major resistance level. So right here we can see this is the highest point in the market, blah blah. If I were to do it, okay, this is actually a key level. So you can see this is our first major resistance. So you can see price testing this level multiple times. Price broke the level here, it came back to test it here 3 times. Price broke the level here, price tested the level here again. This is a head and shoulder pattern, but it tested the level, and I can see it as acting as our resistance. Then okay, like I said, as long as price doesn't break the level, right, it is valid. So this was our support right here, because you can see price was on top testing it, so it was a support here. But because of price broke this level right here, it became our resistance level. So if price comes back up to break this level, it is going to become back our support level. So also if price comes to break this level, it's going to become our resistance level. So as long as price doesn't break it, it is a valid support or resistance. So this is my weekly time frame, right? So I've plotted my major support and resistance, and with the look of things, as you can see, price bounces off our support and resistance. You can see move from all the way here, then we're supposed to go all the way up, or that didn't happen. So price basically bounces up the support and resistance areas, but we are not expecting the bounce, the movement to be very, very straightforward. No, the market is not anybody's father's land, and it is not being controlled by a single person. So there are multiple people with multiple ideologies on the market, so the market can move in a straightforward manner. So yeah, I've plotted my major support and resistance level. So now I'm going to plot my key levels within the support and resistance level. My key levels that are also support and resistance level, you can see they are minor support and resistance level, or whatever I want to call them, but I just call them key levels. These are levels in the market that market has been testing multiple times without breaking. So this right here is a key level. How did I know that? You can see from here, market was tested this area. That was tested it here, but there was a rejection. You can see market testing it here. Market broke the area here. Market broke it but came down. I can see market testing the area here also. Market tested the area. If I had used my rectangle, right, you'll see that market did what? Okay, we'll come down to do that in daily time frame, so you don't get confused. So these are major levels. Okay, these are actually levels that we wouldn't need now because of their long-term stuff. This is another major level. As you can see, price testing this level also. Price tested it twice here. price broke it here, but it came back and started as support. Price tested it, tested. I think you get the point now. So these are our major levels. So coming down to the daily time frame to check our levels again, daily time frame. And sorry, I think I'm missing a level right here. Okay, I said okay, there are levels here, and I said I'll plot them on the daily time frame. Okay, so you understand better. So now we are in the daily time frame, GBP USD, right? Daily time frame. And okay, so let me plus my levels. We just have to look for areas that price has been testing without breaking. So I'm going to change the color code so it doesn't get confusing. We've plotted our major okay, we've plotted our major support and resistance level. Now we're plotting our support and resistance level, key levels in smaller time frames. So this is the daily time frame. Oh, we can't go to the past anymore, but okay, as you can see right here, this is a key level. This is a key level. This is a key level, and I can see it as was price tested it here, and price tested there, and market acted as support. Price tested it here and it acted as our resistance until it was broken yet and acted as support. And you can see price has been testing it, acted as our resistance here, it was broken, it acted as support here, and so on and so forth. Till presently you can see price has actually almost tested that level here again. It almost tested the level here again, but this is actually another level. This right here is a minor level. Okay, you can see price almost testing it there again. So that is a minor key level. Let's look for more levels. We don't want to complicate everything, so we are just looking for the major levels. So this is why we don't use 30 minutes time frame to plot our levels, because of there are actually too many levels that are here on smaller time frame, and plotting too many lines is going to like end up confusing you. But look at how everything is neat, right? It's neat, so it is neat and clear, so you know that once price moves off this level, it goes to the next level, blah blah blah, using market structure and price action and every other analysis you can use. Okay, I'm seeing levels, but the price is not letting me go to pass to confirm. But market has actually been testing these levels, like this one right here. Market has been testing this level multiple times, so you can see right here, market testing this level. You can see right here, market testing this level multiple times. You can see market has tested it, broken, tested, and that's been testing it. But I'm going to remove that level now. I'm going to remove not so it doesn't complicate things. So let me just zoom in, and that's basically all about support and resistance, and now you can into better your analysis. So when you plot these levels, right, you know that market is going to bouncing from one level to another. As we've seen in the past, when market broke this, it bounced to this level. When it broke it, it bounced to this level. It could not break it, so it came back up here, right? Then it could not break this level again. It bounced to this level. It also tried breaking it, bounced to the okay. I didn't plot this level right here. We have a level right here, a key level, key support area right here. We have a key support area right here because market has tested that level multiple times. It almost tested it here also. So okay, color code. This is our weekly level. This is our weekly level. Okay, so you can see basically what price does is test the level, it bounces off each level. So when you've done this, you should know that okay, as you can see, price is currently in this level, around this level, major level. It's price tested the level and it's reversed, right? So your next target should be this area, right? So your next target should be this area. So you know that because of price rejected this level, that's your next target area. But because of the market is nobody's father's land, like I said, and it's not being controlled by a single person, so the markets can't just move straight forward. So they are going to be hindrances and the likes on the way. The market is going to be have to move in trends and the likes. So to understand the current movement, right? Okay, this is the present chart. Let's just okay. So there's actually a key level right here. Actually, a key level right here. Right here, you can see that is a level that the market has actually been testing multiple times. You can see that is the level the market has actually been testing multiple times. Come to look at it in the past, market has been testing that level multiple times right here. So I just adjusted it. I don't let me change color code so it is a little bit brighter so you can see what's happening on the chart. I don't know. There's no. I think after is red. Let me 3 pixels. Okay. I think it should be clear enough like this now. So you can see this level right here. This level right here. Oh, this level right here. So you can see market are testing that level, and come to look at it in the future chart. You can see market has been what this is still our daily time frame. You can see market has what tested it here. It broke it. It came back to test it here. Because of trade, market almost tested it here. This is not, it was not tested here. But in the future, you can see market testing it here. The market's rejecting that level. It came back to the closest support level. The market went back up and is currently testing that level. The market is currently testing that level. So this is a potential signal right here. And as you can see, using the market structure lessons from the previous videos, you can see what price has been moving in higher highs and higher lows, right? So this is a perfect trend right here, uptrend. So this is actually a potential signal. So what signal is this actually giving us? This is a potential sell signal, right? There's going to be a minor sell here because of this, where we have double top. As long as price doesn't break this level, and changes this from resistance to support, this is actually a double top forming. That's actually a double top forming, and when that forms, what you're expecting is a price pushback to the downward side. So that should be our next take profit. But if price breaks the level, this is our next take profit, the next key level. If price actually changes this particular level from resistance to support. Also, this is actually another so there's a potential buy signal sell signal right there. There's a potential sell signal right there, but what you should expect him, because the market overall strength is bullish. So if you plot your let me use this. Let me use my trend line. Okay, so if you plot your trend line right here. Okay, so I've plotted my trend line. I can see the market moving higher highs and higher lows. So if the price actually rejects this level, we are going to see a pushback back to this level, right? Back to this level. And once that happens, it is most likely because of the trend has not been broken, like I explained in the break of structure, video. Our most recent high has not been broken, which is our most recent low has not been broken, which is this right here. So as long as price doesn't break this level, we are still in a uptrend. As long as price doesn't break this level, we are still in a uptrend. But if price does, then there's going to be a reversal, and then we should be seeing a pushback back to our next key level. And our next minor key level is actually here. Horizontal. Our next minor key level is actually somewhere here. Okay, if I reduced it is somewhere here. So you can see price has been testing that zone. Actually tested it multiple times, but not clearly. But that should be our next take profits area if we actually sells and price chooses to change the trend, chooses change trend. So that's basically how you use your support and resistance to actually better your trade. And like I explained, price moves from what, from one level to another. But once you can plot your levels in a very clear way, like I understand everything on my charts right now. Like the picture is very clear to me. The pink horizontal lines are my weekly major levels, and I can see price moving from the levels clearly. The purple is my daily major levels, my daily major support and resistance, or key levels. Support and resistance are basically key levels, like I already explained. And this red is a minor level, right? It's a minor level that price is testing. It's a minor level that price is testing, and I'm using to going and I'm going to use to determine the future of the market. So with that, let me also show you why this is most likely to, what I'm actually expecting from this market right now is a pushback, right? It's a pushback to touch the trend line again, and we are going to buy to our next level, which is this purple right here. That will be my take profit. Then see what happens from there. And why I'm saying that is that apart from you can see chart patterns, which we'll talk about in the future, right here. Right here we have our we have an inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. Inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. So this is actually a buy signal, and the market is yet to break this neckline. Market is yet to break that neckline, which is that red level, right? So as long as market breaks it, that is a signal for me to buy to the next key level. That's a signal for me to buy to the next resistance level. And if the market doesn't break it yet, I'm expecting a sell because of this. If market doesn't break it, I'm expecting a sell, because the market is going to what? Form double tops right here. Market is going to form double tops right here. So if the market doesn't break that double top, I'm going to sell up to my next support right here. But if the market breaks it, I'm going to buy up to my next resistance right there. So to plot your key levels, always try to plot them with higher time frames, because lower time frame key levels are not always valid. So they are not giving a clear picture of what is happening in the market. So I say you can use from your weekly time frame to your daily time frame. We can also use 4 hours for minor levels to understand everything that is actually going on. Can use 4 hours. No, not to use 4 hours. Stop at your day. Just stop at the daily time frame. Then you can go ahead from 4 hours to 30 minutes time frame to 15 minutes time frame, depending if you are a day trader or scalper. So find signals. You can use lower time frames to find what signals, but always use your higher time frames, monthly, weekly, and daily towards to plot your key levels. Okay, that's it for this video. If this video was actually helpful, can you leave a like on the video? And if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions, do well to ask them in the comment section. I will answer every questions in the comment sections. That's it. I hope with this you're able to learn something new, and it is going to help you improve your trade, because I know it should help you improve your trade. Yeah, with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.